Hi, I'm Petros. I'm one of the clinicians here at RD Physiotherapy, and today we'll be talking about returning into sports with physiotherapy, maybe after your injury or post-operation, and how we can get our best self returning into the sports. When you come in for the first session, we'll go through the entire treatment protocol. We'll see the different parameters such as the pain, the movement that we need to achieve before we can move on to the next stage of the progression. And that's going to give you a rough idea of where you need to be at what time. For example, to start with 0 to 6 weeks in the early strengthening, what we need to do to progress on to 6 to 12 weeks, because 0 to 6 weeks and 6 to 12 weeks are just some very general treatment dates that can be changed from person to person because everyone's different, and some people might need less time than that, some people might need more time than that, and that's what we need to explain to people before we go on to the next stage. As well as that, we can address any concerns or any worries, because some people after surgery can get some more pain than others, or swelling or clicking, things like that you might have concerns with. We'll just clear them up, we'll talk about them, we'll make sure that you have no questions after your surgery, and we'll make sure that everything's healing quite well, control everything. And if we have any concerns, we can always send a referral letter back to a specialist or have you see somebody that can get things checked out. Also, to make sure that we monitor the progress in the first session, we'll get a feel for everything, we'll have a baseline, make sure that we know what the normal is, and then we'll be able to use outcome measures such as different exercises or different movements to see how we progress through the different weeks and see if they're getting stronger or if the movement gets more fluent. And going through with that, we can devise a very personalized exercise plan for each person in regards to their sport, and that's gonna combine some exercises, some stretches, and that's all dependent on what level the person is at and what level they want to achieve through their sport. So to achieve that, we have a gym on site. It's a very well kept gym that we have plenty of equipment in that can be used to get anyone into the sport. We have weights, we have footballs, we have tennis balls, and we can use all the different aspects of equipment to make it personal and pretend or visualize that we're back on that field and we're slowly getting back into our sport. So in our practice, we always aim to go the extra mile with our patients. So after treatment is complete and we slowly return back to sport, we'll keep in contact with you, we'll exchange emails, we'll exchange contact information, and we'll make sure that you feel supported in your first few sessions back to your sport, and make sure that you feel confident and ready to return to your best self, and who knows, maybe even better. So thank you for watching. If you have any other questions surrounding returning into sport or post-op rehab, give us a call, contact us, and we'll be glad to help. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.